Welcome to Education 24/7. In this tutorial we will discuss about the second variation of if and else statement. So let's begin. Let's look into another example. The syntax of if and else statement is like this. If in the brackets, round brackets, there is a condition of if, and this is in the curly brackets, this is the body of if statement, and down else, this is the body of else statement. Let's look into an example. Integer age is equals to 17. In the if condition, if we write age less than equal to 17, and in the body, let's suppose it will print you are a teenager, and in the else statement there is written you are not a teenager. Now how these statements work, let's look into it. Now in the if condition, it will check the condition. There are two conditions, less than and equal to. Firstly, it will check about less than. Age is less than 17. No, age is equals to 17 and 17 is not less than 17. So it will check the second condition. First condition is false. 17 is equals to 17. So second condition is true. So if both the conditions are false, then overall condition of if is false. But if any one of the condition is true, then it means that the if condition is true. Here 17 is equals to 17. So if condition is true, it will print you are a teenager. Now how if and else works? If and else are opposite to each other. If the if statement for any specific condition, if condition is true, then else condition shall be false. If the if condition is false, then the else condition shall be true, as they are both opposite to each other. Here if condition is true, so it means that else condition will not be executed. Let's execute this code, and here at the output screen you will see that if condition was true and its message is printed, you are a teenager. If we have another case, if we change its condition, let's suppose if we change the integer age and we write here 18. So now it will check the if condition. Age is less than is equals to 17. Yes, age is not less than 17. So first condition is false, and age is also not equal to 18. So both of the conditions are false here. So it means that the if block is false and the else block will be executed, as they both are opposite. So if we execute this code, you will see that the if condition is not executed, and at the output screen you get you are not a teenager. So this is how if and else work. If a statement is true, else will be false, and else code will not be executed. We will look about the third variation of if and else statement in our upcoming tutorials. So stay connected to Education 24/7.